South Korea has today reported 174 new cases of the virus, taking the national tally to more than 6,700 people infected there. Around 100 countries have also imposed travel restrictions on South Korea. Demand for tests in the country is soaring, so some cities have found an innovative way to get people checked. Joseph Kim reports from Seoul.
South Korea has the most coronavirus infections outside China. It's a growing concern, but there's a silver lining. One of the reasons South Korea has such high numbers is not only is the government being open and transparent about reporting confirmed cases, but they're testing about 10,000 people every day. By comparison, Japan is testing hundreds of people daily, while the US has tested several hundred total. They're able to do this because they've come up with an inventive way for a fast and convenient method, and that's the coronavirus drive-thru. Here, people stay within the comfort of their car. They don't get out. They simply drive in, open their window, fill out a questionnaire, get their temperature checked, and then get swabbed. The whole process takes about 7 minutes for 2 people. And for anyone who feels like they're feeling symptoms, it's free. Immediately afterwards, they leave, and then they go home and wait for the results, which can come out as quickly as 6 hours. And this is important because that means that suspected patients are staying indoors and quarantined. And this is helping to contain the virus and stopping the spread of the infectious disease.